Most people who want to freelance don't have a money problem. They have a first client problem. You can have the skill, you can have the time, but that first paying client, that's the wall almost everyone gets stuck behind. The internet says just use AI, but AI doesn't hand you clients. So let's build the part that works. By the end, you'll have one offer, one target, one message, and one simple outreach loop. First, the truth that saves you weeks. AI will not find clients for you. There's no button that delivers paying customers. What AI does is take the friction out of a system you build and run. We'll follow one real example the whole way. Meet a beginner freelancer who writes email newsletters for small online stores. Watch them go from zero to a working system. In 4 steps, you can copy this week.
Step 1, pick one service. Not 5, 1. Beginners fail here by offering everything: design, writing, social media. To a client, that sounds like you don't know what you're good at. Our freelancer picks one thing. I write email newsletters for small online stores. Specific, sellable. If you're not sure what to pick, here's where AI helps. Not to decide for you, but to show your options faster. You read the list, you choose. Now you don't have a vague skill, you have one sellable offer. Step 2, define exactly who you're for. Anyone who needs help is not a client. Our freelancer narrows it. Small online stores that send newsletters inconsistently or write them without a clear strategy. That's a client you can actually picture. Here's the honest version of how AI helps. It doesn't magically find real businesses for you. It helps you build the search criteria, the keywords, the profile, the signs to look for. You still go out and verify who's real. Now you're not messaging random people. You know exactly who to look for and what to type to find them.
Step 3, write the message that opens the door. Most beginners freeze here or send a wall of "please hire me." The truth about AI outreach? Never let it write the whole thing. A fully AI-generated message is obvious and ignored. Do it this way. Write a rough version first, real, in your own words. Then use AI to sharpen it. Here's the before and after. The first message? Hi, I'm a freelance writer looking for work. I can write newsletters and emails for your business. Please let me know if you're hiring. Thanks.
Now the better one. Hey Sarah, I noticed your store has new products every week, but your email list only gets occasional updates. I help small online stores turn product drops into short weekly newsletters. Would you be open to me sending over 3 email ideas for your next drop? See the difference? The first is about you. The second is about them. Specific, useful, easy to say yes to. Now you don't have a blank screen. You have a message you'd actually send.
Step 4, turn it into a system, not a one-time try. One message is luck. A system is repeatable. Our freelancer makes a simple list, 10 stores that fit the target. The same sharp message, personalized in 1 line each, and a simple tracker to stay organized. AI helps create the criteria, the keywords, and the message variations. You still choose and verify each business. That part stays human. It's your reputation on the line. Now, you don't have "I tried once." You have a repeatable loop. 10 contacts this week, 10 more next week. The system is the asset. You built it.
So that's the first client system. One service, one target, one sharp message, one repeatable loop. Run it consistently, and getting clients becomes less about luck and more about repetition. But here's what happens the moment a client says yes, and it's where most freelancers lose the money they just earned. Now you have to write the proposal and set your price. Price too low, you work for nothing. Overcomplicated, you scare them off. That's File 003, how to write the proposal and price the work, with AI, without selling yourself short. This is MoneyOS. We cut through the hype so you don't have to.